Hi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extend your CDS view with more fields or more functionality without modifying the actual CDS document. So when I have a requirement wherein I wanted to add some two more fields to this CDS view in a output display, I can come over here and I can just modify this view and I can add some field over here. For example, I can say like product dot product ID. I can simply come over here and I can say that I wanted this particular field to be added to this particular one. So this will be the way of actually modifying your base view, which could you know override the functionality of this one. So if I do not wanted this particular functionality to be um, tempered, I just wanted to add some more fields to this without modifying the code of this one. Then I have the option to create an enhancement for this one. And how I'm going to create the enhancement is, let's say I will just copy this view name. So this is my view which I'm going to enhance with the product ID to be displayed. If I display this one now, you could see that the product ID is not available over here. So I'll just activate this. So now I will go ahead and I will create an enhancement for this one, and in the enhancement I will add the extra fields that I wanted. So I'm just going to create a new DDL source in which I'm going to give the name for the enhancement, ENH underscore CDS. I'm enhancing the CDS view, and I'm going to say next, next, and here I'm going to use the syntax extend view and click on finish. So in this extend view, it is basically going to ask me three things. One is that what is the view that I wanted to create by extending, and what is the enhancement name, and what are the fields that I wanted to add. So this I wanted to extend this HANA view. So I just given the name of the view that I wanted to enhance, and here I'll have to specify a structure which will be created as an append structure to that particular view. So I'm going to give the structure as zcsk underscore extension underscore 02, and here I'm just going to specify what are the fields that I wanted to add. Okay, so I'm just going to say like in this particular view I have this entities like item and product. So I wanted to add some more field from this item. So I'm going to add this let's say for example ATP status as ATP, and I'm going to say that products dot, and from the products I wanted this thing, let's say. Okay, so I did a mistake. So I just given this append structure that has to be created and the view that has to be enhanced, and within which enhancement it has to be enhanced. So here I was actually trying to access this item and products. So I was expecting that item to show up some of this item details, which is not happening for me. So the thing is that you need to use this table structure entirely. So in this table, I wanted to use this net amount to be displayed as over here, and from that product table I wanted this snwd underscore product dot, I wanted to display the, let's say the product ID which was not being displayed earlier. So it appears that we could only use this table name and not the alias name. So earlier I was trying to use that alias name in order to add the fields from that, which was not being supported. So I just figured out we have to use only this table name. So I'll just activate this, and then the ones I have done with activation for this, let's open this association view once again. So now I have opened this association view once again, and here you can see that this enhancement symbol has been specified and this has been enhanced with this particular CDS view. So if I wanted to run with this enhancement, I'll just click on this enhancement, and if I see the data preview now, you could see that the net amount and the product ID field has also been displayed over here. So basically I haven't touched the underlying view. I just enhanced by creating a new enhancement, and I have added a couple of new fields over here. So here we can also perform some calculation as well, which is for the field which I already have over here. For example, if I wanted to do some modification for the product category, I can do it over here. The enhancement will take precedence over to the actual field values. So in the next tutorial, I'll be explaining you how to reuse the CDS view into another CDS view.